Hello and warm welcome to you all to Talkie English in this new video. أهلا ومرحبا بكم جميعا متابعي قناة Talkie English في هذا الفيديو الجديد.
This, that, these, and those. What's the difference? We use this, which is the singular form, and these, which is the plural form, when talking or when we want to refer to something that is near you. For example, this is my scooter, and these are my keys. We use that, which is the singular form, and those, which is the plural form, when talking about something that is not near you, that is far from you. Alright? For example, that is my house. Those are my shoes. Yeah, this is our lesson for today. It's not that difficult to differentiate between those demonstrative pronouns, they're called. So yeah, if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. And support me by hitting that heart and follow button. And I will see you guys inshallah in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Salam alaikum.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful and you've got something from it. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. And if you like this content, please click subscribe and show us your support by clicking that like button and activating that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. شكرا لمشاهدتكم هذا الفيديو. إن كانت لديكم أي أسئلة رجاء اطرحوها في التعليقات. لا تنسوا إظهار دعمكم لنا باشتراككم في القناة، إعجابكم بالفيديو وتفعيلكم لزر الجرس لتتوصلوا بأحدث الفيديوهات فور رفعها.